my mom's light broke and I'm the only one that could fix it, according to her. I opened up this cover on this solar light right here. 3 Phillips head screws, easy enough, pull the cover off. The old battery was in there. It is a AAA style NiMH, very important for solar lights. 300 milliamp, 1.2 volt battery. So I tested it and we're running under a volt. This thing's been out in the sun forever, so I don't know if the battery's a problem or if it's the panel, but we'll find out. So I ordered a 12-pack of these PKCELL batteries. They arrived in a package. I've torn it off, but let's give this a test right out of the box here. See what kind of volts. We're looking for 1.2 volts because that's what it's supposed to be. There we go, 1.26 volts. Exactly what we needed. Some solar lights have this stuff pre-soldered, but luckily these are just replaceable. Just a matter of putting the battery back in there. Turn the on switch. Is it on? I'll cover the panel. Yep. And it works. So there you go. These are the AAA 1.2 volt, 300 milliamp PKCELL replacement batteries. Very good.